is the gentleman here on the bangus. So on the bangus, yun nga po, the success of tuna in Europe is really, really good for Philippine tuna. On bangus, it's really available, readily available, especially sa mga Asian stores. Hindi po nagkukulang ng bangus sa Europe. We have all these bangus, yung daing, etc., frozen, and tinapa, etc. But to mainstream it, we try po to mainstream bangus in Europe. Ang issue po is more on cultural. Kasi sa kanila, a fish should be white. Yun ang thinking nila. So pag nakikita nila yung belly, which for us is so precious, di ba? Yan sa atin pinag-aagawan nila. Sa kanila, pag nakita nila yung belly na itim, parang naguguluhan na sila. So hindi nila matanggap na itim yung belly. Tapos, so yun po yung issue to mainstream bangus in Europe. So I think to be able to correct that, it will take a bit of time. But it is more cultural. So minsan po meron gano'n, and this type of information, we can provide. I think all my other colleagues, we can provide this type of information that it's nothing personal to bangus. But yun lang po, yung perception kasi nila ng fish, it should be white. Especially kapag fillet, dapat walang balat, walang skin. Sa atin, precious din yung skin.
Oo, dapat malutong.
So, yun. And then, syempre, pag tinanggal na po yung balat ng bangus, di ba, it disintegrates. Tapos wala pang tinik. So, parang wala nang
I think the solution dapat may Filipino in each household.
Yeah, to train them how to eat.
To train them, to teach them how.
Okay, I'm sure they have a lot more stories to share, no? Best practices, tips. You can catch them later on after lunch po because there's a clinicking session. Sayang, no? We don't have much time anymore.